The court session that Nigerians have been waiting for has finally opened, and what happened inside that courtroom has changed the direction of this entire case. The suspects linked to the tragic Benue attack were brought before the court. The charges were read clearly, and in a moment that surprised many observers, every single one of them pleaded not guilty. This development has now set the stage for a long legal battle, and Nigerians across the country are watching closely to see how justice will unfold. As you listen to this update, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any important real-time news like this. The prosecution laid out serious accusations explaining that the suspects are believed to have played different roles before, during, and after the incident that led to the loss of many innocent lives in Benue. According to what was read in court, the case is not about one action alone, but about planning, coordination, and execution over a period of time. The courtroom was calm, but the weight of the allegations was heavy, and everyone present understood that this was not an ordinary case. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because we will continue to follow this matter closely and bring you updates as they happen. When the judge asked the suspects to respond to the charges, each of them clearly stated that they were not guilty. The single response has now pushed the case into full trial mode, meaning the court will now examine evidence, listen to witnesses, and carefully review every claim made by both sides. For the families affected by the tragedy, this moment brings mixed feelings. Some see it as the first real step toward justice, while others worry about how long the process might take. If you are finding this update useful, please like the video and subscribe to support this channel. What makes this case very important is not only the number of people affected, but also what it represents for national security and accountability. Many Nigerians have asked questions over the past months, wanting to know if those responsible would ever face the law. Now that the case is in court, the legal system has the responsibility to handle it carefully, fairly, and transparently. This is why this court appearance is being described as a major turning point. Please like this video and subscribe so you can stay informed as the story continues to develop. Inside the courtroom, security was tight and proceedings were handled with seriousness. The judge made it clear that this case would follow due process and that all legal steps must be respected. The suspects were ordered to remain in custody while the court considers the next applications brought forward by their legal representatives. This decision alone has sparked discussions across the country, with many people debating what should happen next and how quickly justice should move. Remember to like and subscribe, because your support helps us bring these important stories to you. Beyond the courtroom, this case has reopened conversations about safety, community protection, and the responsibility of authorities to prevent similar tragedies in the future. People are asking hard questions about how such incidents happen and what can be done to ensure that communities feel safe again. While the court focuses on the suspect, the wider society is reflecting on lessons that must be learned. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you remain part of this important conversation. The trial itself is expected to involve detailed presentations from the prosecution, including explanations of how events unfolded and what links the suspects to the incident. On the other side, the defense is expected to challenge these claims and present their own version of events. This back and forth is a normal part of the justice system, and it is designed to ensure that the truth is carefully examined. As always, like this video and subscribe for continued clear updates. For many viewers, this story is not just about the courtroom, but about real people whose lives were changed forever. Families are still grieving, communities are still healing, and the outcome of this case may influence how similar cases are handled in the future. That is why every step in this process matters. If you value clear and professional news updates, please like and subscribe to this channel. As the days go by, more information will come out, and emotions may rise as testimonies are heard. The court has adjourned proceedings to allow proper preparation for the next phase, and when hearings resume, attention will once again turn to the evidence presented. Nigerians at home and abroad are following this closely.
hoping that the process will be fair and thorough. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new developments.
Yes, this case also highlights the importance of the rule of law. Regardless of public opinion, the court must rely on facts, evidence, and legal standards. This approach is what separates justice from chaos, and it is why patience is required, even when emotions are strong. As this legal journey continues, we will keep breaking it down in simple, clear English so everyone can understand what is happening. Please like this video and subscribe to stay updated. At this point, the story is still unfolding, and this is only the beginning of what could be a long trial. The not guilty pleas mean that nothing has been concluded yet, and the court will now do the hard work of examining every detail. Nigerians deserve clarity, accountability, and peace of mind, and many are hoping this case will move the country closer to those goals. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay with us for ongoing coverage. As the case moves forward, many people are now paying attention to how the court will handle the next stage. After the not guilty pleas, the judge made it clear that the trial will not be rushed because cases of this nature require careful examination. Evidence must be reviewed step by step, witnesses must be heard, and every claim must be tested. This process may take time, but it is designed to ensure fairness. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can continue getting these updates in clear and simple English. What stands out in this situation is the seriousness with which the court is treating the matter. This is not a case where decisions are made based on emotions or public pressure. The court wants facts, it wants proof, it wants clarity.
David, that is why legal teams on both sides are preparing strongly for what comes next. Nigerians following this case should understand that justice is a process, not a single moment. If you are learning something from this gist, please like the video and subscribe for more real-time news. Outside the courtroom, conversations are growing louder. Many people are talking about accountability and responsibility. Some are asking whether this trial will finally bring answers, while others are concerned about whether all those involved will truly be identified. These discussions show how deeply this case has affected the country. It is not just a legal issue. It is a national concern. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you stay connected to trusted updates like these. Families affected by the tragedy are watching every step closely.
For them, the court appearance is not just a headline. It is a reminder of what they lost and what they hope to regain through justice. While the legal process continues, their patience is being tested